My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, my beautiful friends. In this video we have a look of steer XLM. So friends, in this video I will show you what's the price change goes and steer XLM, what's the high price and what's the current change occur in steer XLM at this time in the cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for this kind of urgent videos and stay connected with us. Now as you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the live price prediction of the last 1 hour you are watching now, friends. There is a good news for all steer XLM holders. As you can see now on the graph, that is the current last 1 hour price predictions live you are watching now, friends. The average change occur in the XLM as positive 0.09% change occur in the XLM, and the change very high, very fastly moves upward at this time. The high price of steer XLM in the last 1 hour is about $0.645881 is the high price of steer XLM in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 day as the steer XLM goes upward in the 1 day or falls down. As you can see here, today as a surprise day for all of steer XLM. I'm very happy. Trust me, I'm very happy today because I'm also a holder of XLM coin and I become a millionaire in this one. Okay, so if you are a holder, so it's absolutely good news. Also good news for steer XLM holders. As you can see here, the average change occur in the XLM and the last 1 day is 21.85%. Absolutely, it's a very high change occur in steer XLM in the only 1 day. $0.649696 is the high price of XLM coin in the last 1 day, friends. Very fastly, like a rocket change occur in steer XLM. Now let's check it out the price predictions of the steer XLM of the last 1 week. What's the change goes in the last 1 week? What's the high price and what is the currently status of the steer XLM in the cryptocurrencies markets? And friends, as you can see now on the screen, the change is absolutely, oh my goodness, after a 9th April they take a very fastly explosion. As you can see, take a very high explosion, a huge pump occur in the steer XLM on 10th April today. So friends, if we look the average change occur in the XLM, so the average change as a $50.24% change occur in the XLM in the last 1 week, last 7 day price predictions chart. Now if we look the high price of steer XLM in the last 1 week as a $0.646878 is the high price of steer XLM in the last 1 week, friends. So as you can see, the last 7 day, the last 1 day and the last 1 hour price predictions are in positive good change occur in the price predictions as I show you. So friends, my decision, my suggestion for all of XLM holder that please hold your XLM coin with the last of this month, because as you know the explosion of the steer XLM starts now. So please hold and they will make you millionaire in this month. Trust me, believe me, they will make millionaire in this month. That's only my suggestion. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. What's your opinion about steer XLM? Please share in the comment box and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.